Should've got Freddie out with us.
Freddie?
Alright, we're out here for a little evening. You can see it's dark. Got Chris and Lisa with me, and we're gonna have a little fire and cook some bannock, hopefully. All the outdoor freezing experience. I don't know if it's gonna light. You need really fine stuff. Come on, baby. Hey, look at that. Ooh. Right? So the camera.
Giles would be impressed.
Is the camera still even going?
West Road.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Yes, it does. It's gonna smell like the bush when you get home.
Oh yeah.
Good.
I don't know if this stuff's gonna burn or not. Hopefully it will.
Smoking good.
Come on, baby.
Who's the fire builder on the canoe trips?
I usually do it, but it takes a while. Sometimes it never goes. Give that a couple minutes. That on blinking? Oh, I'm blinking. There we go.
We all have seizures in the bush. Look at everyone's on the ground doing the funky chicken.
Yeah. There we go. Now we got the fire going. Yeah. Well, we got the fire going, and we're just going to let it go a bit and see if we can get some bannock going. All the steam coming off my glove in front of the camera.
I haven't done this in years.
No, I haven't done this for like ever.
I see bacon.
Bye, y'all.
Hey.
Ow.
Tree's breaking.
You're getting all the smoke.
Yep. Smoked out here.
He's going for the visual effect now. Okay, the gang's all here. We got Rob there in the smoke screen. We got the old frying pan on the fire. There's Orlando over there. Yeah, you fold it over a stick and... Yeah, squeeze it.
We're just melting the butter here. Add to the bannock mixture. Mixing up the bannock. We need it. We need it.
Yeah. Okay.
Refreshments chilling in the cooler.
So where did you guys go on your first date?
On the two gloves.
Where did we go? Yeah.
Tomorrow, don't remember?
What's that?
Too long ago, don't
Where
remember.
did we meet?
Cover the bottom.
Bring it up
I can
for me,
dump some
please.
out.
Bring it up for me, please. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Are we gonna use a stick to flip it?
Yeah, I got a spatula.
Oh, you got it.
Bannock's looking pretty good. It's still a little doughy.
Flip it again.
This might break on.
Oh. But then you don't. Then we're breaking it into pieces.
No,
It's not burning. So.
Hey, you'd smell it if it was burning, or hear it even. The cast iron.
something just fell on it.
I just.
Tart made noise.
Everybody's patiently waiting for the Bannock. It's smoky, yeah.
I can
Smoky.
catch, I just can't drop.
Flip it over.
I bought a pair of hiking boots when I was in Calgary, teaching out there. I went to.
All right, we're calling the Bannock done.
Oh, this is good.
Oh,
I'll take the little one.
well,
Yummy.
that one. You want this one here?
I'll take this.
These chocolate chip.
Yeah. This piece of Bannock. Oh, not bad. Could use some M&Ms though.
Blueberries. I really like the blueberries.
Bannock over an open fire. Awesome. You can see it's snowing out. It's not a bad night, about -6. Got the fire stoked up now. Just finishing off the Bannock and some beer and alright,
We're as good as a
it's
fire.
put the fire out time.
As good as the fire was going, it sure didn't take much to put it out.
Well, so we're gonna head her in tonight and hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. The Bannock was awesome.